Tesla removes all Cybertruck production date information from the website. Oh, man. Speaking of Tesla.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hard making these cars, man. And it really, it's tough because there's such a variety of customers with Tesla. There's people like me that are just, yeah, I'm going to get that Cybertruck. Whenever it happens, I'll just get one type of thing. And then there's people who really are trying to plan and they need a vehicle and they really are relying on these release dates badly. I remember that story about that UFC fighter. He was like, hey, man. He's like, hey, Elon, I bought a model.
Dariush.
I bought a Model Y and I got this baby coming and I needed to have a car for the car seat.
It's like, no problem, man. Here's a Y.
Well, he sorted it out.
Yeah.
In that case,
he got it covered.
Elon sorted it out. But yeah, so a vehicle is a big purchase. A lot of people plan around it and it's really important when they're going to get it and they don't have a lot of flexibility there. And so that's when it gets tough when people, but I don't know if that's the majority of Tesla customers or if it's half or whatever. But we do know that they got this new facility over there in Texas. And we do know that COVID kind of screwed some things up as far as the production of vehicles is concerned. So it sucks, but I can't say I'm surprised that there would be that they would take that information down because they backed it up one time. They pushed the dates back, and then everyone was angry, and they don't want to be held to these dates at all. The Model S Plaid that I got was super delayed.
Did you get the top trim?
Plaid. What are you talking about?
Oh, sorry. I was thinking Cybertruck.
Oh, Cybertruck? Yeah.
Yeah.
But Cybertruck, it wasn't completely figured out, was it? Initially, like what was it? 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. I mean, you could probably go order one right now. They'll take your order. They'll take your $100 or whatever. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, go order one right now.
I guess.
Oh,
you
no.
can
look.
select.
You don't even select anymore.
Oh, okay.
You don't even select any. Oh, you will be able to complete your configuration as production nears. See, they don't. It's weird. I think at the time that I did it, when this thing was first announced, you would actually put in 4-wheel drive, tri-motor, whatever it might have been back then. But
I think they have a quad motor now. I think we covered it.
All right, let's do a quad motor. Why not? I'll take a Ford motor. But yeah, I mean, I can't say I still have to say I'm excited for it because it's so bizarre. It's such a strange item. It's still cool to me.
Yeah.
And whenever it hits the streets, the sooner the better. But whenever it hits the streets, it's gonna make some noise for sure.